Hi, I'm Chase Charters, Sales Manager for Kaeser MOBILAIR, and I'm here to introduce our newest model to our lineup. This is our model M255E. This is one of our first electric compressors built for outdoor use and is easily transportable. The M255E can deliver up to 990 CFM and has pressure ranges from 87 PSI to 200 PSI. The M255E is a fully electric portable compressor. It has lifting eyes on top to crane into location. Additionally, it has a fully galvanized steel frame with fork pockets for easy transporting. Like all of Kaeser's compressors, it has a patented Sigma profile air in. It comes, like I said, completely ready for outdoor use with cabinet heaters. Additionally, each one has a built-in aftercooler with separation, and it also has a container to catch any of the condensate. The M255E is fully designed for outdoor use with a NEMA 4 control cabinet. We have quick connect connectors to connect easily to your incoming power supply. Here we are at the front of the machine. All of the panels on the M255E allow for easy access for maintenance. We have a 3-inch ANSI flange to connect to your air system. The M255E has a Sigma Control Smart electronic controller. It's very user-friendly with only 6 buttons. You can adjust the pressure with the up and down button. Additionally, it monitors all of the operations as the machine's running. The M255E has an integrated aftercooler with centrifugal separators to help remove any of the condensate that's in the air. Along with the aftercooler, we have additional filtration to help remove any of the contaminants in the compressed air. Also, you can see here remote drains to help it make it easy to change the oil, also to collect any condensate that might be coming out of the machine. The M255E has a fully enclosed floor pan to capture any contaminants before it gets into the environment. Thank you for watching, and for more information, please visit us online at us.kaeser.com.